Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update swap space safely on low memory servers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update swap space safely on low memory servers, begin by verifying current swap usage. Open your terminal and execute the command "free-h". This command will display information about total and used swap space. Next, check the current swap file configuration. You can do this by running the command swap and show. If you're using a swap partition instead of a swap file, you may need to adjust your approach. Before making changes, ensure you have sufficient root access. Now, create a backup of your existing swap file. The command sudo cp/swapfile/swapfile.back will create a backup. Next, turn off all active swap spaces using sudo swapoffa. This step is crucial to prevent issues while updating. Now, decide how much swap space you want to add. For instance, to create a new swap file of 2 GB, run sudo dd if =/dev/0 of =/swapfile bs equals 1g. Once the swap file is created, set the correct permissions using sudo chmod 600/swapfile. This command ensures that only the root user can read or write to the file. Next, mark the new file as swap space by executing sudo swap/swapfile. To enable the new swap file, use the command sudo swapen/swapfile. You can confirm it's active by running swap and show again. To make this change permanent, edit the stab file. Use the command sudo nano/etc/stab to open the file for editing. Add the following line at the end, /swapfile none swap sw00. Save and exit the file. Finally, monitor your new swap usage by running free-h once again. This command will help you verify that the new swap space is available. By following these steps, you've updated the swap space safely on your low memory server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.